Got more up.
I'm gonna get this flying, and when I reach my destination, I'll be smiling, longing to see me.
It's not quite 100% lined.
Drop me a line, just to say hello, my dear, I'm doing fine. Doesn't matter anyway now, 'cause when
Too low.
tired of the day to play for something that I didn't do.
We want 10 mil now.
Yeah.
Just
Not a big 10, yeah, just to chuck them in. This one's a bit.
Ooh, wee. You should do them two first.
Yep. It's them fucking 90s what I hate, because you're like, oh fuck.
That's not as bad as mine. We fucking haven't talked it.
No, Matt told me to talk it to.
Listen, I followed the fucking paper. We did. Yeah? But someone just start the rolls. Like, you know how you get.
That's loose, look.
We've never tightened it.
Yeah.
You just left it for some players, so. I got you. You might as well talk that down to 65.
You what?
You must talk that to 65.
That was 65.
Yeah.
I'll wait while everything's tightened. Because there's no belt on the road, is there? Don't spin too far. Never done that where we just start sitting there. We're going to do 90 now, aren't we? 90 degrees. We're doing quite a ball like that.
Yeah.
So we're doing the torque wrench. So you have to take 10 from off and pop it up.
Fucking 90's ready, mate. 90's ready, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, it's right in your way, bro.
That's alright. I don't mind getting slapped fucking job.
Well, it's slack though.
Yeah,
It's a bit further, so it's like, you have to bring it.
That's
Right over here.
90.
Fuck me, it's right over here, mate.
Just on box.
Let's get a bit further.
I think that's multi-swan, isn't it? Go on.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
This is when you get the move, mate.
Oh, shit.
Bro, where you going?
That's it.
North Dakota. So basically come to your chest. Coming to your waistline. Keep going, keep going. Right here.
Well done. That's it.
So you're right on all the girls.
Oh, yeah, my finger's fucking doing them again. I'll talk this down and have another fucking warm.
That's
It's very similar.
It's
Yeah.
just coming over that. Oh, it's not.
Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah. Which one, right? This one,
Yeah.
yeah. You know, bro, you can't get any more than that.
That one is.
Straight over that pulley.
Yeah.
You know what I'm going to put this as when he goes up online? Fucking Rick's backyard fields.
Yeah.
That's what's going on as. Rick's backyard fields.
No space builds.
Oh, big shed builds, no space. Caption. That's coming straight.
That's what I'm going to do.
That's coming already on my thumbs. Right down it. Yeah. Every day of my life. That's coming right on my thumbs. Make sure it's looking actually in.
Same as well. That's not in that bad. Something's wrong with that one. It won't go in. It's not in.
No, it is.
It's in.
I've seen that. It's just sloppy. straight down my thumb.
Straight up pulley. So,
Unless you go. Oh yeah.
yeah.
Just the edge of the pulley.
Yep.
That's the one. Yep. That's the one.
So that's Ed. Talked in.
Oh, it's that big after that first.
Now I've got a bit of fucking shit on mud from cooking.
I'm good. That's alright.
So I'll just slide fucking rocker on now for tonight. Hold on, hold on. I'll have a seal on there, look.
Oh yeah. Wait, drop fucking spots and drop the spots and that.
Right, it's been engine back down so I can get this bracket on.
Yeah. Oh, that ain't going in.
You what?
That ain't going on.
It is.
It won't fucking look that much off.
Gotta go on, bro. It's gotta go on in a minute. I found it.
I got it.
Just nip over and then just fully tighten from middle outwards, bro.
I'll swap you out. So you can start doing this side.
Yeah, so just free left in there. Look, can't get that on there.
Yeah. I'll get what's his name.
That's to be a spanner.
I ain't get my pillow, fucking quarter-inch.
Quarter inch and then spanner to nip it.
Let's do
Yeah,
this.
because you can't get into them tops there and there.
We had this problem last time.
Is that shit in the water return?
Block is now cleaned out, isn't it? What's his name? Your micros.
Short 13.
12, isn't it?
12, short 12 for
That's normal fucking. Let's maybe get a 13 out.
yeah, 12's fine. Yeah, not good for that.
No, ratchets.
Ratchet 12.
That's the one we need.
No. Ah! I'll just do that with a spanner. No, because it's a very good job.
Oh, big fit.
With a normal 12.
That's what you like, yeah.
Yeah, then look at that. That is like super duper close. Fucking Nora.
Just like bird's feet fucking around. Just, yeah. understand. Big finger syndrome.
That's a bastard. I'm going to try and do that bastard back out. Allen key's gone. Allen key.
Unless you want a ratchet one.
Oh, that's a big fucking thing. You had to choose that one, didn't I? Fucking ridiculous head on.
That's already got washer on it. You need another one. You've already got one.
A bit more flush, like.
Straight. Yeah.
Right, so that I'm going to tighten it with a ratchet now. Just get it nice and tight. If I can.
You want 3/8 ratchet? Or
Move it there. Yeah, it's going to be a ratchet so I can get it down here like that. Fuck's sake. Get 3/8 with reducer.
Yeah, play them.
Yeah,
Like
that.
come on, Betsy.
Fuck off. Nope. So that one needs to go.
That
It's way off. Keeps moving. Yeah,
Yeah.
I need to be.
Yep.
Yeah. No? Yeah. Fucking.
where did this go? Right here.
Let's press it on.
Let's see.
Turn the engine up and then we can see better. You just can't see a thing from here. Come on, turn it up. Then you'll see what I'm talking about.
Tide's coming back on.
Fucking hell. And then the eight fucking finger.
Oh, no, I think it's on up near
This bastard.
Ah,
Yeah, that way. Do it that way, Marv.
right, I'll make it.
Well, there's no more left. Where is it? Actually,
Right, I'll put that new gasket on.
You want
Yes.
They put a gasket on.
that? Yeah.
5 mil Allen key here, mate.
Where?
in box. Yeah. Appreciate it.
I'll load it, you just swing them all in.
My winding machine. Near that one. Okay.
You should take this off, what? Dribbling a bit, yeah.
Fingers job.
We're jumping the gun here.
What's that?
Gotta get the water lines on underneath this down here. Yeah, turn back out, bro.
Oh,
Forgot about them. Yeah.
still put them in. You can put them in once it's
It's
still on.
easier though when this is on.
Right. Inlet on. Yeah, all done. Water pipes on. Yep. Oil return. Breather, yeah, that's on. All water pipes, all nipped up. Turbo's on. Yeah. Water inlet. Just gotta get set up here. Yeah. Alternator's on. Yeah, clutch. Got a clutch in it. Yeah. Anything else?